Good morning, guys. Here's a little quick cooking Corey video for you. Took some Hodgson's quick oats. I know you guys have seen this trick from me before. Mixed it with a little bit of cinnamon, some vanilla, a little agave nectar, chopped up some fresh strawberries, and put in some coconut milk as well as some cashew milk. So basically, these are quick oats. We're going to let them go in the fridge for about 24 hours. You can see the cinnamon there. Pretty tasty, nice little snack. Quick morning breakfast, get you out of the house. But let me know if you have any questions on this. A lot more cooking with Corey ahead. Stay hungry, guys. Stay thirsty. Let's have some fun. And if you have any recipes that you want to see tried out or any recommendations, taking all ideas. But have a good time, guys. Talk to you soon. Happy Thursday. Cheers.